Somebody is cleaning snow from his front porch and the front steps. Today is February 15th, 2015, day after Valentine's Day, and we just had a Valentine's Day blizzard here in Boston, which is like the fourth major snowstorm of this winter, and record number of record snowfall has been recorded in Boston. Cleanup is going on. The Valentine's Day blizzard is over. It has dumped more than 1 foot of snow in Boston area again. Luckily the snow is light and fluffy. It's not hard to remove, but it's hard to find a place to dump them in. People are running out of space. That's the main problem. Snow is piling up very high. As you can see in this picture, look at this household. They are cleaning their cars. I think you can hear the noise of scraping also. They are scraping the windshield. And these are the huge piles. Really, really high. Anyway, people have to live with this. So this is the general view all around our house. Today is Sunday, February the 15th, and this is how Boston, Cambridge area looks like. Okay, at least for now I'm going to stop recording. It's pretty, no doubt, especially because the snow is clean as of now. No plow has gone by yet. As soon as the streets get plowed, all the dirt is thrown on the snow banks and they don't look nice, clean and white anymore. Here goes another man with a shovel in his hand. He's a pretty elderly man.